Hey guys, welcome to Majestically Maya. I am Maya Simone. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. If it's your first time here, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see new post notifications from me. Alright, so today I'm going to be doing a video about dyeing my hair light golden blonde. I wanted to have a summer change. I wanted my hair to be a little bit lighter and also more manageable. I don't perm my hair, so sometimes when I color it, it just makes it a little bit more easy to comb through. It makes it a little bit more easy to do my wet and go look, so I love to dye my hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this hair color using Dark and Lovely light golden blonde, make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, so this is the box color in light golden blonde. I'm going to open it up so you can see what's inside. First is the cream developer. Second is the moisture rich conditioner with shea and avocado. Third is the high lift booster. And fourth is the fade resistant rich conditioning hair lightener. And we definitely cannot forget about the instructions. Make sure to read the instructions, pause the video and zoom in on mine if you need. If you turn it over, you'll find gloves. Make sure you guys use the gloves. So before starting, I'm going to part my hair into 4 sections. For best color results, try not to wet or wash your hair for at least 4 to 5 days. You can use clips or scrunchies to hold your hair. I ran out of scrunchies and I tried to use this baby rubber band. It was a bad idea, guys. Bad idea. So you're going to moisturize your hair before to protect your hair's natural oils that can be stripped away while coloring. I also use oil to protect my edges and scalp from irritating chemicals. So let's mix it up. We're going to cut open the booster and make sure you're in a well-ventilated area because these fumes are serious. So you're going to pour the powder into the cream developer and grab your gloves and shake up the mixture for at least a minute. And be careful because I made a mess. And last, you're going to add the hair lightener and shake that up as well. And in the words of Winston Churchill, to improve is to change, and to be perfect is to change often. So add a large amount starting from the back. I feel like the drip method did not work well for me. So I would suggest applying large amounts, saturate the ends first, and use a comb to work in the hair color. Focus more on the ends and just make sure you fully saturate it and do the front last. Grab that second box and be careful. And we're going to shake up this second box and we're going to use this mixture for our roots. So fully saturate your roots, and this is about after 20 minutes or so. And after about 20 minutes I applied it to my eyebrows. And this is about 45 minutes later I washed it out. So this is the result. I added moisturizing conditioner to it because you're not supposed to shampoo. And I added this to my curls, which made it so much softer and more manageable. So cute. And then I used the plastic bag to help seal in the moisture. And I left that on for probably about 10 minutes. And then the final result. I love it so much. I think it's so cute. Like summer ready. I dyed it last year, so my ends are a little bit lighter, but I love it. I think the color took well. So I straightened it out. Hope you love it. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to Majestically Maya.